7 Wonders of the World. For Grade 2 and 3. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located in India. Great Wall of China. Length of the Great Wall is 21,196 kilometers. Pyramids of Egypt. These are 4,500 years old. Petra, Jordan. Petra, Jordan, founded over 2,000 years ago. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is one of the largest cities of Mayan. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a lost city of Inca. Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Hanging Gardens of Babylon was built in 600 BC. Colossuem in Rome. Colossuem in Rome was built in the 1st century.